Hey, give me your papa phone number. Where you? Come out the go from your mouth.
Una too no get sense.
You won't die.
Keep quiet abeg. My part you with more knowledge. I never see people make mumu like una.
Continue.
How una go dey say una wan kidnap people? Una no say anywhere kidnap. Na for Ajigule. Una no get sense be that now.
Jesus!
Like, wetin you wan get from us like this now?
Continue.
As you look me like this now, you believe say my papa get money? Chishi. Even 50k no dey in account. See this guy make dey here so. May yet be like 2 coconuts may join together. You look at like this now. Only from you look, you fit tell say na Kpako as they stay. You see person like this now, you kidnap am. So mo call our papa. Come tell us say me bring waiting, how much? Maybe 10 million. You dey dream. If you give my papa 10 million, he go sell me. 10 million too much. 500,000. He go sell me.
Continue.
I no get sense. My advice on her. For now, kidnap. When I go places like Lekki phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, or even phase 4. As you see us like this, shishi. Our papa no get. Especially this one. Make carry 2 head for there so.
What kind of sound is this? My wife. There's nobody here. So where is this sound coming from? Thank God. It's from the other room. My neighbor. But wait though. Our neighbor is single. My wife. Efe, what is all this?
Papa Mingo.
Where did you get all this one from?
Papa Mingo.
Vendo, where did you? Who have all these things?
Papa, your son have cash out though. Papa, sit down. Let me explain. Papa, this afternoon, I was walking on my own. Then I saw this ATM card in the ground. I pick it. And I said, let me just try it. Then I took it to this ATM machine. I just put in any number. Papa, the thing work. I check the account balance. Hey! Papa, there are bunch of money. When I saw it, Papa, I shout, Jesus! Papa, if you see this money, hey! So, I withdraw small, not everything. I remain small thing, as a good boy. That's what I use and buy all this thing. Papa, see, I haven't bought you wristwatch self.
Jesus! Efe.
Yes, Papa.
Where did you say you found the ATM again?
I found it on the floor.
I mean, where exactly did you find this ATM card again?
Papa, the thing is that I found it in your room. On the floor. Wait, solve this if you can. If a bus have 4 tires and 20 seats, how old is the driver?
Yeah, who are you? What do you want? There's no money in this house, unless you want to eat eba. I'm not eating. So who are you? What do you want? I am. The Green Reaper. Green Rapper, or whatever you call yourself. What do you want? How can I help you? You are the reason I'm here. I'm waiting for your soul. Me? I don't understand. You see, in the next 2 minutes, you will die. Jesus! And I will escort your soul to the afterlife.
Continue.
Me? Die? No now. Where you? Green Rapper, whatever you call yourself. What kind of nonsense is this? Be quiet. I dey talk, you dey talk. I be one collect. See this man o. You know you can't waka come here. I be it say from afterlife to here that small waka. Ifa. Nonsense. Where you? Go find me something cold, my drink. Where? Nonsense. See me. I just taste poison. I'm dead. I'm dead. You see yourself? Eh? I tell you go die. They follow me again. See you now. Go drink poison. Oh yeah. Die fast, no they go. You join the small waka. Subscribe for more. God, babe, you are amazing. You know what? How about we go for an 16?
There's something I need to tell you.
Okay?
I have HIV/AIDS.
Eh?
If I tell you what happened to me today, hey, you no believe. What happened? This afternoon, I dey go boundary. Now I see 1,000 naira for ground, 2,500. As I pick this money, no day. Now one beggar man come meet me. Say, Oga, I beg. I never shop since morning. I pity this beggar man. I won't give him 1,500. Now I wait first. I say, man, ask am something. Now I ask am say, Oga, this one me say never eat since morning, so if I give 500 like this now, what you go do? The beggar man say, like this. Say if I give her 500, he go die. It shock me. Now I come out 15 naira from my pocket, give her. But why did you change your mind? I thought you said you want to give him 500 naira. Imagine say I give her that 500, he can't die. No, say they will toss na me kill am. I beg, subscribe. More go this channel together. I beg.
My lord, your humble servant, standing in your humble presence, greets you. My lord, my client Efe. Hello, who is this? I'm very busy right now. Call me back.
Babe, I'm feeling honey.
You say what?
I'm feeling honey.
Today, we are gathered here on behalf of our brother Ike, and his new to be wedded wife, Sister Shoma. Brother Ike, do you accept Sister Shoma to be your lovely wedded wife, in sickness and in health, in riches and in poverty, until death do you both apart?
I do.
Brother Ike, are you sure?
I do.
Sister Shoma, do you accept Brother Ike as your lovely wedded husband, in sickness and in health, in riches and in poverty, until death do you both apart?
I do.
Amen? Amen! Is there anyone here who do not agree or support the fact that these two should become one? Speak now or forever hold your peace.
Sir, please, continue. Efe, you think you have sense. You are just coming to school and you kept your back somewhere to deceive me.
No.
Efe, you see, I know this game. Efe, today I will deal with you. Today I will break you. Even the angels in heaven will shock. Jesus! Efe, today you are finished. Hands up, close those eyes. My guy don't shit for body. Efe, you have the guts to mess up my class. You have the mind to shit in my class. Efe, you are finished.
Sir, please. Sir, please.
Hands up, close those eyes. Jesus.
My lord, if I may.
Please.
Thank you. My lord, my client, Tegolo, is innocent. And I can prove it. My lord, you see this useless and stupid boy over here?
Barrister, please, control yourself.
Sorry, sir. I'm sorry. My lord, you see this stupid and useless boy over here? Continue. Saw the missing money in a Ghana must go. containing over 10 million naira. He took just 20,000 naira inside and carried the rest to a police station.
In this country? No now. I think this boy should be punished.
I agree with you, my lord. Although my client Tegolo is innocent of stealing the money in the first place, I think that he should be sentenced to 200 years imprisonment for being so stupid to take such amount of money to a police station.
I agree with you.
I rest my case. Will you subscribe or else?